Hello, Susanna here. I wanted to make a quick video showing the difference between the Kdp Premium Print and the Kdp Standard Print. Now, Kdp stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, and this is the arm of Amazon where people can self-publish a book. And when you self-publish a book for paperback, Kdp gives you the option of choosing premium quality print, which you see at the bottom here, or standard quality print, which you see at the top here. For the hardback books, they only offer the premium quality print. Now you can tell here that the difference is noticeable, but for paperback books, I would say standard print is totally sufficient. And if you've not seen the premium print, you would not feel like you're missing anything in the standard print. It is very colorful. I have a few things here side by side. The colors come through. They are not as vibrant. It's more of a muted, whereas this is very bright and shiny. Now, the technology used is also different. This is printed with laser jet, so the paper kind of takes on a smooth finish from the toner that is used for this, whereas this feels like paper. So on the premium, every other page feels like paper because there's no toner here, and every other page has more of a smooth, glossy finish. And the colors, of course, are more colorful and more vibrant, whereas up here, both sides feel like paper. Now, neither of these will bleed if you get water on them, but this one might be just a little bit more slightly splatter resistant, meaning if you get water on here and you wipe it off right away, it shouldn't leave a water stain, whereas here it would leave a water stain faster. Now, why would you want to choose standard print versus premium? Well, standard print costs about half as much to print. So for me to sell this paperback in the premium quality on Amazon, I would have to sell it for almost $40 before I even make any profit in the higher premium quality print. But I think that for a paperback, the standard quality is more than enough. And you can see here as I leaf through the book that it still is very beautiful. The pictures still come through loud and clear. In fact, if you'd never seen the premium quality, you wouldn't know that you're quote-unquote missing anything. The paper weight itself is almost identical. So I think this is like a weight 65 and this is a weight 70 on the paper, so that's negligible. For a paperback, even for a cookbook with full page images, I would say standard is more than enough. Now, that being said, for my cookbook, I will release a hardback version of the cookbook as well. And for hardback, Amazon actually only offers the premium quality print. So for the hardback, we'll have these pages with this print quality. So I just wanted to show the difference. I know when I went to order, it was difficult deciding which one I should go with. And I just wanted to show the difference between the Kdp Premium quality versus the Kdp Standard Print quality. And like I said, I think standard is more than enough for a paperback book. Pictures still come through loud and clear, and the print cost will be approximately half of that of the premium. Thanks for watching.